Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're using iOS 18 and trying to find the new cleanup tool but can't seem to locate it, we are here for you. Many users have reported the same issue, and here are the reasons why you are having this issue. First off, the iOS 18 cleanup tool is supposed to help you manage your storage by removing duplicate files, blurry photos, or unnecessary screenshots. But if it's not showing up for you, here's why. Apple's cleanup tool may not be available on all devices, especially older iPhones. Apple designed the tool to work best with the latest hardware, and it is only rollover to iPhone 15 Pro models and iPhone 16 lineup. If you're not seeing it, it might be a glitch in iOS 18. Make sure your software is updated because Apple frequently releases patches for known issues. The tool might not be available in every region. Certain features can be region-specific, and this could be one of them. So you can check in this list if your country is eligible for iOS 18.1 update. If your iCloud backup isn't properly set up, the tool may not appear. Ensure that your backup is enabled, as the cleanup tool works closely with iCloud. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more iOS tips and tricks.